You work hard every single day, yet your money keeps disappearing fast, and something clearly feels wrong here. You don't feel rich at all, yet somehow your bank balance keeps hitting zero way faster than expected. You think it's because you don't earn enough money, but honestly, that's not the real reason behind it. There is actually a hidden pattern quietly stealing your money every single day without you realizing it. And the scary part is that you are doing this to yourself daily without even noticing it happening.
Let's begin with something very simple that you do daily, your small, everyday spending habits. $5 here, $10 there. It always feels small and harmless when you spend like that, right? But these tiny spending leaks slowly add up into something much bigger and faster than you expect. Another problem is impulse buying, especially when you feel bored, tired, or slightly stressed out. You see something interesting online, and suddenly, without thinking much, you just go ahead and buy it.
That one quick click feels exciting at first, but the happiness fades away within just a few short minutes. Then comes that heavy feeling of regret when you later check your account balance and see the damage done. Another hidden trap is all those subscriptions that you signed up for but don't even remember anymore. Money keeps quietly leaving your account every single month without asking you or giving any warning. Now, here's the biggest mistake most people make. They never actually track where their money goes.
If you don't track your money properly, you will never be able to control or manage it effectively. So here is your simple 7-day fix plan that can actually help you take back control of your money. Day 1 is simple. Write down every single expense you make during the day with zero excuses. Even small things like snacks or coffee matter a lot, so make sure you write down everything clearly. Day 2 is about cutting just one useless expense from your routine, not everything all at once.
You don't need to cut everything at once. Just remove one expense and keep it simple and doable daily. Day 3 is powerful. Wait at least 24 hours before buying anything new that you want. This simple waiting trick helps you avoid most impulse purchases and gives your mind time to think clearly. Day 4 is about checking all your subscriptions carefully and seeing what you actually use. Cancel all the subscriptions that you don't really need or haven't used in a long time. Day 5 is to set a simple weekly budget that is easy to follow and understand clearly. It doesn't have to be perfect, just clear enough so it can guide your spending decisions daily. Day 6 is to save some money first before you spend anything else from your income. Even a small amount saved regularly can slowly build a strong and powerful saving habit over time. Day 7 is to review your entire week honestly and understand how you managed your money. See what worked well for you this week, and also notice what didn't work so you can improve next time. Don't feel guilty about mistakes. Just learn from them and adjust your habits to move forward smarter. Here's the truth you must understand. Fixing money problems is about habits, not how much you earn. Small daily improvements will always beat big plans that you keep delaying and never actually start. You don't need more money right now. You need better control over how you use what you already have. And yes, anyone can start this simple system from today, no matter how bad their current situation is. Just imagine your next week feeling less stressed and more relaxed when it comes to your money. More control over your spending, more clarity in decisions, and more peace in your daily life.
that's exactly what following this simple 7-day plan can start building for you, step by step. But it will only work if you actually take action and follow through, instead of just watching. Most people just keep watching videos like this, but they never take action to actually change their habits. Don't be that person this time. Decide to act differently and take control starting from today. Start small, keep things simple, and most importantly, just begin without overthinking too much. Your future money situation depends completely on the small actions that you choose to take today. Fix your habits first, and over time, your money situation will naturally start improving, slowly. If this helped you even a little, then you are already ahead of most people who never try. But there is still one more important thing that you need to learn next to move forward. You need to understand how to grow your money properly, not just save whatever you can. That is where everything truly changes and your financial progress starts becoming faster. Click on the next video now and learn how to take full control of your money in a smart way.